Good afternoon, guys. We are going to do some power washing today. I've got a new hose on my power washer. Don't ask me what happened because the muffler got in the way. Anyway, and I've got a new device to clean the sidewalk here. I don't know if you can see this, but I started this 2 weeks ago, and that's when the muffler incident did a number on my old hose right there. So I've got this brand new one and a cleaning device that should help it a lot easier. I don't know if you ever try to clean sidewalk, but using just the power washer is takes some time. So I have a new cleaning device. I'll show you in 1 second. Okay, this is the new device right out of the box. I've never used anything like this before. This is off Amazon. This is a non-paid uh, trial of this device by Mekoh. We'll see if it works. What you do is put your wand on here on this extension. The water flows through here, and you walk along the cement, and underneath here is Spear with two jets that come out and clean the sidewalk or your driveway. I'm going to do both, but we'll start with the sidewalk first. All right. Thanks for joining me today. We'll give it a shot. It might be a little loud, but here we go. All right. I'll see you when I get started. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the walk. You can see it's a pretty long walk. It certainly was a lot quicker than just power washing. So the Mekoh worked along the edges. It was a little bit sketchy, but I have lights here that I couldn't put up against and get that really clean on the walk. But overall, as you can see, and I was just hosing it down just mainly to get the edges and get the dirt off. My little Mekoh, I think did what it's supposed to do. I'll be using it again. All right. Thanks for joining me. All Things Kevin. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really need those subscription guys. I appreciate it, and I thank you. You all have a good day.